Ugh. What time is it? Did I oversleep again?
It's 7 o'clock already. If you don't get up now, you'll be late for work.
Okay, I'm getting up. Is there any breakfast left?
I made some bread and eggs. Eat quickly. The traffic is crazy today.
Thanks, Dad. I'll eat fast and run to catch the bus. Excuse me, do you know what time the next bus comes?
It should come at 7:30, but it's usually a bit late.
Oh no, I already missed the earlier one. I'm so late today.
Don't worry, everyone's late when the traffic is bad.
I hope my boss understands. I'll email him while I'm waiting.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning, can I have an iced latte with less sugar, please?
Sure. Do you want anything to eat with that?
No, thanks. I'm already late for work. Just the coffee.
No problem. It'll be ready in a minute.
Morning, everyone. Sorry, I'm a bit late today.
Morning. Don't worry, the boss isn't here yet.
That's a relief. Traffic was terrible this morning.
I know. It took me almost an hour to get here.
Let me grab some water, then I'll start checking my emails.
Hey, are you free for lunch? I'm starving.
Yeah, I'm free. Where do you want to go?
How about the noodle place around the corner?
Sounds good. I've been craving noodles all morning.
Great. Let's go before it gets too crowded.
Oh no, it's starting to rain and the traffic is already stuck.
Are you still on the bus?
Yeah, we've barely moved in 10 minutes. I just want to go home.
Take it easy. Put on some music or a podcast.
Good idea. I'll listen to something while I wait in this traffic.
You're finally home. Long day?
Yeah, I'm exhausted. Let's cook something simple for dinner.
I already washed the vegetables. You just need to cook the meat.
Perfect, thank you. Let's eat together after the kids finish their homework.
Deal. Family dinner tonight. No phones at the table. What are you watching? You look so focused.
I'm watching a Vietnamese lesson on YouTube. I want to improve my speaking.
Nice. Do they teach real-life conversations?
Yeah, they use everyday situations like work, travel, and family.
Keep it up. Your Vietnamese is getting better day by day. So, how was your day from morning till now?
It was tiring, but not bad. Work was busy and the traffic was crazy.
At least we had dinner together. That was nice.
Yeah, I really love our family time in the evening.
Let's sleep early tonight and have a better day tomorrow.